The packaging design process in 5 steps. Create your information architecture. Think back to those 3 questions. Specifically, who's buying your product and where are they finding it? You are going to use that to create the information architecture for your package. You may have beautiful photos of your product in action, a brilliant testimonial from a customer, a tagline that explains how you are awesome, and a great graphic showing customers how to use your product. But when a shopper looks at your packaging, they are probably only going to remember one thing. What do you want that to be? Pick the one absolute most important thing you want customers to know about your product. That should be the centerpiece of your design. You can then add 2 to 3 things you want to show once they have picked up your product or clicked on your link. That will close the deal.